Are you guys still trading time-based charts? Like I'm going to get in between the 15-minute chart and the 10-minute chart. So I'm going to trade 13-minute charts. you know, Remember the Seinfeld episode? One of them was somebody developed a 6-minute ab, and then they were going to do. I think Kramer was going to, come up with something for 2-minute abs. Time is relative, everybody. Not only do time charts um, put you at a distinct disadvantage for the active trader, they distort. They distort all the indicators and all the moving averages and all the Fibonacci's and all that stuff that they give you, and that all the media hacks that couldn't trade their way out of a paper bag that everybody follows, hundreds of thousands of people, and they show you videos of themselves building their office, going on vacation, and you guys know who. We don't do any of that, of course. We don't get the publicity of a CNBC, so we do our own little thing right here on YouTube. The quality of the videos on YouTube aren't anything like what we have, but let me just show you. This is a Kagi chart running on the NQ, a Kagi chart. And we're running a little strategy on here that, let me show you the performance. That's it right up now. It's up about 465 bucks. It's already made close to 1200 today already. Let me show you the strategy. Look at that. That, folks, is an equity curve. Look at that. And that equity curve is over let's it's actually over a 2-month period. I'm interrupting my strategy. I hate to do that, but I want to show you the equity curve. I really should be showing it to you on a continuous contract, but it's very close. Well, I tell you what. Let's. I'm gonna do it. I'm interrupting my strategy. I'm gonna have to go back in and turn it on. But I want to show you the back test results. See, because before we run any strategies, we like to know what they do historically, and then we take that data file and we put it into what we call a walk forward optimizer, and we make sure it randomizes the data. I don't have time to show you that here. We do that in late at night, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning, while everybody else is, sleeping in, we're working. It's going to take a minute to populate, and when it comes up, I'm going to show you the historical performance of the Kagi chart running the NQ on an intraday basis with our strategy. And I don't want to pause the video. I don't want you to think, but I tell you what, I'm going to show you another one. This is I love this one. This is a 3-line break chart, also running with a strategy, and it put us short here. That was at 2670. Then we had the rundown, and then this morning we were telling everybody, watch out for this squeeze, and we bought call options at 2630, 2635, and they are doing just fabulous, and everybody was getting bearish and scared and running for the hills. You can see these were beautiful trades over here, beautiful. This is called 3-line break charts. You can look them up on YouTube, and but you're not going to learn a whole lot from that in terms of how we trade them. We also trade Rinko, we trade point and figure, we trade price charts. So we're back to the Kagi chart on the NQ, which is running this one. Let me show you the performance report. Look at this. That's an equity curve over 2 months, folks. Now, there is some spurious orders in here. I don't want to give anyone the impression that you just plug it in and go to the pool. It's not that easy, but it is pretty easy. a profit factor of almost 2.98. It's showing 156,000. You're not going to do that right out of the gate, but we can do pretty well. The total number of trades over a 2 month period, almost 1,700. Percent profitable, close to 45%. We just want to, if we can just do, how about if we can just do a third of that performance model? 50 grand over a couple of months, would that work? Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. I'm Bag of Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. We are not the smartest guys in the room. And matter of fact, I'm one of the dumbest guys in the room. I admit it. Okay. Feel free to give me a call. 813-758-8263. You can email us. You can direct message us. If you want a demo day or for an hour or two to see what we're doing. If you find that you're putting on trades and as soon as you put them on they go the other way, or you're working toward a number then you fall back, or it's the usual thing, and we're not a broker or a broker. We're not giving specific recommendations, but we are teaching people how to trade. And ideally, if you're on TradeStation, which we think is the best, we're not affiliated with TradeStation, but it will empower you to trade algorithmically. We can help you in writing these strategies, these indicators, so that you can take advantage of technology. We've been doing this for 10 or 15 years. This is not new to us. The people on the Contrarian News Bubble channel, they have a vested interest. They want you to think that they know something special. That Bob Passanti is scouring the trading floor for some little bit of gossip, and he's going to share that with you this afternoon. Guess what? Bob Passanti is at Fitzwilly's or at one of the bars. He's having a lunch. He's not a liquid lunch at that. He's going to be back around 2:30, quarter or 3, and make up some crap. Oh, the market's off its lows. You can't trade like that. You'll go no place fast if you're lucky, and if you're unlucky, the street will take your money away. So we are about, what are we about? We are about teaching folks, mentoring folks. We have a monthly membership at $99. Then we have a level 2 membership. The level 2 membership is by far the best value because you get access to all of our strategies, including the one that's running here. You also get our indicators, and you get access to myself and to Susan to really help you not pick trades. We're not going to necessarily do that. We might do some examples, but we're going to try to help you learn to pick your own trades and to learn and work with the technology. And we're happy. TradeStation, by the way, has fantastic support materials and fantastic support videos. I cannot say enough about TradeStation. And again, they don't advertise with us. We're not affiliated, just a real happy customer. At one time in my life, I used to teach surgeons how to do surgery. And I'd say that TradeStation is a surgical tool. It's precision. The other platforms don't hold a candle to it. Not a candle. So feel free to give us a call. Feel free to check us out. What are you waiting for? The markets are moving. They're always here. And we got to get back to work. But, if you want to call and chat about things, I'm Bag of Don, Stock Market Caddy, 813-758-8263. Thanks so much.